So Doogee has announced the Doogee R20, which is the successor of the R10. It's actually quite similar to the R10, but some of its specs has been upgraded over the R10. In this video, we'll explore the top features and specs of the Doogee R20. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the R20 is offered in black, green and orange colorways. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. I believe at this point you know what this durability features means. Anyway, in terms of specs, the device has a 10.4-inch 2K IPS LCD display with just a 60Hz refresh rate. It has 8GB RAM with 12GB virtual RAM expansion support, and the device also has a 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via microSD card. The device packs a ginormous 21,600 mAh battery. This battery could easily last a week. It also supports 33 watts fast charging, which I consider to be quite okay. In the camera department, the device features a single 50MP rear camera and a 16MP front facing camera. Additionally, the device is powered by the Helio G99, which isn't bad. It's a 2.2 GHz octa-core 6nm processor. We all know the Helio G99 as one of the best mid-tier 4G processors in the market. It's slowly getting old, but it's still quite capable. The device shipped with the Android 13, and there's no guarantee if it will be receiving the Android 14 update in the future, but the device would likely receive consistent security updates. So other features of the device includes quad speakers with high res. It supports 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2. It has navigation features like GPS. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Face ID, OTG. It also supports NFC, and it also supports FM radio. The device doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and finally it supports dual hybrid SIM slots. So these are the top features of the Doogee R20, and it's going to be affordable because this is a rugged phone from Doogee. So what are your thoughts about the Doogee R20? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.